I saved the grand finale just for you! Now try not to scream too much! Yeah! Something's missing, but the show must go on! I'll tell you what's missing. A few more victims! Welcome to my lonely circus. Do you want to see a magic trick? Ta-da! What do you think? For my next act, I'll make you disappear. Yeah!
Scared, guys. I feel like he's gonna break.
I'm so happy you're here. I'm so excited. I could burst. Surprise! Now it's time for the real show.
I assume that's his last one.
I saved the
All right.
grand